This video is going to show you how to use Color Sync on both your PC and iPad. You're going to love it. So maybe you've seen Color Sync in your Cricut design space and wondered what it is, or maybe you've never really noticed that Color Sync is there. Well, it's on the right side of your layers panel, and it's really helpful if you're trying to reduce the number of colors that you need to cut. So let me show you how it works. I've got this little image here of somebody named Zoe, I believe, and as you look in the layers panel, I've got quite a few different cuts, and there's an awful lot of colors on that, and maybe I'm limited in the number of pieces of cardstock I have or the colors. So I'd like to maybe change up or reduce the amount of colors that I have. So it's like if I go to make it and I have a look here, I've got 10 different mats that I need to cut out. Oh, I really don't want to do that. So when I go back to my design screen, I'm going to click on Color Sync, and you have this bar here of all the different colors. And if I want to combine colors, I can take my, just click and drag, and I can move that up. And then you can see right now on my image that some of my colors go away. And I can change that one, and I'm not see what happens if I go down to this one. So I now have 6 different colors to cut, and if I go to my Make It screen, you can see I have 7 mats, which is kind of interesting, even though it looks like I have 7. So let's go back here. I probably couldn't count anyway. Oh yeah, sorry about that. I didn't see the white one down here. It's hard to see the white, so I do have 7 different colors. Anyway, this is kind of a fun thing that you can do, especially sometimes people have uploaded an image to cut, and once they uploaded it and put it on their design screen, they realized they had about 30 different colors, and they're like, oh my goodness. Now, if you don't like what you've done, you can click your undo button, and it's going to take you all the way back. And you can, let's go back to the layers panel. Now, technically on this particular image, there's not that many. I could click on the basic cut, and I can go up to my operations, and I can change the color up there. And really, in this image, that wouldn't have been too difficult to do, but it's a lot faster to use Color Sync. Also, to let you know, this feature is also available on your iPad and your iPhone. So let's use Color Sync to design on our iPhone. Here you go. Now, to use Color Sync on your iPad or iPhone, you need to select a design, and I've selected this little bouquet of flowers, and I'd really like to try to make all the flowers the same color. So on your bottom toolbar, you can look to see that you have a sync icon, and tap that with your finger, and your Color Sync panel will come out. So you can just touch these little 3 bars on the side, and let's move this up to that color, and you can see again that's eliminated some of the colors, and these other little colors are kind of that pretty light periwinkle blue, so I'm going to move that down, and now I have the flowers in this bouquet all the same color. And when I'm done using Color Sync, just tap the icon on the bottom, and the icons are active when they're green, and there it is. Now it's ready to go. Hope this helps you with Color Sync. Thanks for watching.